Hey there, distinguished guests. Welcome back to another reason why people don't stay in homeless shelters. Today's reason being that some shelters confiscate electronic devices. And I also want to open this up by saying that it is rare that a shelter does this, and any shelter that does this will try to make it seem like it's not by saying other shelters do this. Yeah, very few other shelters nationwide do this, but this is not common practice. They will go out of their way to make this sound normal when it's not. Often the reason that is cited for this is that the electronic devices have been used to violate other clients' privacy. If it were that big a deal, more shelters would be doing it. It's not. Out of all my shelter experience, I've only been in one shelter that tried to make it seem like it was normal that shelters take people's phones, and then staff will steal the phone, quit, and then never to be seen again. At the very least, when another client steals your stuff, you have a chance at getting it back because other clients rarely leave the location, whereas staff can just poof, pow, be gone.